Hello everyone, it's UB. Welcome to a trade review video. This video will be on my Ethereum USD long. I posted an update that I was placing my bids in the 463 area just above it literally 3 minutes ago. I decided to put on the recorder because I have a few things I want to talk about that I don't want to forget in regards to this trade. I'll also be doing trade reviews for my past trades. I'm just a little behind right now because I've been more focused on the market and actually getting into these positions. Actually, my bids are filling right now for Ethereum. So that's why I'm a little bit delayed on these trade review videos. This video is sponsored by Prime XBT. If you guys want to check out the exchange, please click the first link in the description, sign up, and you get a 50% deposit bonus. Anyway, let's talk about this trade. My entry is based on this previous consolidation period right here. Okay, and as you can see, we put in a higher low before attempting a breakout right here. And there are a few questions that may arise from this entry that I want to go over quickly. So you may be asking yourself, why am I longing directly into what seems to be strong resistance? And that's a very valid question. I'm not saying that you're wrong in any way, but we have to use context for our decision, right? Look at Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin just chugging along, and Ethereum is getting dragged down by Ethereum BTC. That's normal, right? And what's going to happen now is Bitcoin will go sideways, maybe cool off for a bit, and then Ethereum will take off. It's been happening for the last few weeks, the same exact pattern. So that's what I'm playing for right now. Okay, so the best entry, I would say, would be somewhere in the 457 area. I was just looking on my other monitor to see where I said I was going to add. In the 457 area, I think that would be, really ideal. But with these market conditions, you have to be more aggressive than you usually would be, right? If this was just normal market conditions and there wasn't so much FOMO, I would say we would get that 457 retest no problem and then shoot up. But because of all of the FOMO in the air, I prefer to be a little bit more aggressive on setups that look like this, right? First, we have a gap to fill here, and we have untapped liquidity to the upside. So something like this could absolutely play out. We could just not retest it at all, okay? And another question you may have is, aren't we FOMO entering? And no, because again, context matters, okay? If this was a bear market and things weren't as aggressive and the market conditions weren't as crazy as they are right now, I would be pretty concerned about this, right? Because we just swept the highs of a consolidation period that led to a move down, okay? But again, context matters. What happened after we moved down, right? We put in our low. Did we sweep lows here? Yeah, we swept some lows here, okay? Swept some lows. That was a low put in before the local top, okay? Swept those lows. Came back down off the consolidation period, consolidated below the bottom of the consolidation period before breaking out. Okay, and we also put in a higher low here. So this is looking a lot more bullish than bearish for all of those reasons. And again, context matters. Bitcoin is moving up in a big way. Ethereum, again, stalling a bit at resistance, but that's fine. It's being dragged down by Ethereum BTC. And the last thing I want to say is, sure, my ideal entry would have been 457, right? But if we're targeting an eventual, my last take profit is $500, right? So if we're targeting a 8.5% move or like a $40 move, will it really matter if I get filled $4 lower? What's that going to be, like a percent lower? No. A 0.8% to a percent lower? No, that doesn't matter at all. Sure, the risk to reward would be different, but risk to reward really isn't everything, and that shouldn't be your main focus on every trade. Risk to reward is just a tool to visually show, the target and the take profit and stuff like that, but it really isn't everything. I can go over that in another video. I don't want to get carried away, but hopefully this explained to you why I am longing into resistance and why I think it will play out to what I'm envisioning in my head. So if not, I guess we'll move on to the we'll move on to another trade. This is also, I think, my second or third time attempting this long. So we'll see if the third time is a charm. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.